Hello, welcome to the Plants4Presents nursery. Today I've brought together a collection of our slightly more cost-effective plant gifts. So here I've got 5 beautiful plants that are all under £30. We don't all have a fortune to spend on gifts, and these will still have maximum impact. They'll still make great gifts for Mother's Day. So we've got scented jasmine, British grown, very strong plants with beautiful fragrance. We've got cheerful spring daffodils. We've got the indoors houseplant lovers, we've got these gorgeous ferns. These will last and very easy going on a windowsill. For the garden or the patio, we've got olive trees and also these lovely camellias. Now these are happy birthday camellias, but don't they make a lovely gift for Mother's Day too? These are hardy, they'll come in bud and flower and can be planted out in the garden for flowers for years and years and years.